Theta United States dollar medium-term support explicitly remained at 92 cents, or so they for the most part commonly thought. The especially current exchanging volume of Theta organization by and large is at $20,420,488, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Theta organization generally is as of now esteemed at 94 cents. Bears control Theta's fundamentally current cost activities in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. 27 November 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly. Truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, essentially most certainly is Theta fundamentally wise speculation. Or so they in a real sense in every practical sense, thought. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. However, prior to jumping truly kind of profound into the Theta specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us by and large discussion about the ongoing economic situations, or so they sort of commonly thought. Market investigation over the pretty absolute last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally beautiful whole digital money market to $1,392,958,938,316, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The by and large complete exchanging volume really remains at $51,887,486,523, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Which especially in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95%, showing how Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value decline of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how the truly complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $51,887,486,523 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time span, which explicitly is very critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally truly is somewhere near 3.54 and at present exchanging at 60 cents in a sort of kind of significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an exceptionally sort of descending bearing, for most certainly truly momentary, in a kind of especially enormous manner, which is very critical. Right now, a sort of broad by and large especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an extremely large manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers, all things considered, become essentially more especially dynamic and for the most part by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time period, or so they very thought. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers certainly become move especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which by and large is very huge. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, for the most part fundamentally is at 94 cents, down 4.73% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and by and large especially has a value change of 2.33% over the course of the week in every practical sense, significant way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 20,420,488.00 United States dollars, while all-out market cap came to $937,196,489 United States dollars in a significant manner. Incredibly, there truly are very nearly 1 billion generally sort of are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting that Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to especially truly recognize actually genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they most certainly basically thought. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for 27 November 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time period, sort of made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving most certainly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly basic moving sort of kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Theta organization. Kind of additional appearance how we utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to actually in a real sense break down the future development of the Theta organization in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. The Theta United States dollar moving certainly essentially normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer fundamentally truly is demonstrating a present moment, generally in a real sense sell essentially signal, as the MACD line super is moving beneath commonly signal line which really implies, most certainly bears in every practical sense, a ruling on the lookout, showing how similarly. Obstruction fundamentally in every practical sense is a level at which dealers sort of become move essentially truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense higher in an especially sort of large way. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and truly is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, really in spite of prevalent thinking certainly. Theta organization truly is moving in fundamentally descending course, as fundamentally bears effectively generally take the coin beneath quick help level of 96 cents, which generally shows that these occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market basically is going in an essentially descending heading for pretty present moment, which sort of is genuinely huge. Presently Theta ought to by and large track down a help at 92 cents, or probably the merchants could then focus on the essential help level set at $1.12, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially generally, has seen a value reduction of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours. Exhibiting how the extremely complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $51,887,486,523 in a quite enormous way. While Theta's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 53.7.